Here is a sound check for a Shimano Ultegra hub. Alright, so all Shimano hubs, for the most part, are going to be a steel driver body. They're going to be 18 points of engagement. They're going to be a horizontal sawtooth profile. The ratchet mechanism is actually located inside the driver body, whereas most of these aftermarket hubs, the driver mechanism is located inside the shell. 18 points gives you 20 degrees of engagement. It is a cup cone bearing, not a cartridge bearing. Pros and cons to that. Serviceability. But if you should go ahead and pit the actual cone out of the cup or the cone, then you have to replace those items. In the case of the cone, you can replace it. In the case of the cup, it's integrated into the hub and you cannot replace it. They utilize larger bearings and their drag is relatively low, and it is side load adjustable. That is the Shimano Ultegra hub.